Good morning, students of class 7. Now I am going to discuss mathematics chapter 7. Today we will discuss chapter 7, linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Okay. In previous class we have discussed the simplification of algebraic expressions, where we have seen that how we have to do the simplification of algebraic expressions. Okay, so now today we will discuss linear equations in one variable. Students, in linear equation in one variable, actually you know that here linear, you have to make a linear equation or you have to be given. Linear equation, it is that kind of equation whose power of the variables is 1. Okay, so an equation is a statement. Actually, what is the equation? Equation is the statement of equality which contain one or more unknown quantities or variables. Okay, an equation is a statement of equality which contain one or more unknown quantities or variables. So an equation involving only a linear polynomial is called a linear equation. When an equation contains a linear polynomial is called a linear equation. Linear means the power of the variables will be 1. For an example, we can see that some examples of linear equations are given below. Here you can see 7x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is a linear equation. Why? Because the power of x here is 1. Similarly, 3 by 2 x plus 4 equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into t plus 3 equal 1 by 2 into t plus 3 minus 2t equal to 5. 5 by 3 y plus y minus 2 by 4 equal to 7. This is also linear equation in one variable. Okay, now this is the linear equation. Now how we can solve? What is the solution of linear equation? You can see that the value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement is called the solution or root of the equation. I am repeating to tell again. The value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement is called the solution or root of the equation. To solve an equation, to find a value of the variable which satisfies the equation. Look at here, example 1. Verify that x equal to 2 is a root of the equation 5x minus 12 equal to minus 2. So you have to verify that whether x equal to satisfy the equation 5x minus 12 equal to minus 2 or not. So for that case, we have to find out LHS and RHS and make sure that whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So here LHS is 5x minus 12. So putting the value of the equation, putting the value x equal to 2 in the given equation, we have seen that here result comes out minus 2, which is equal to RHS. That means we can say x equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 5x minus 12 equal to minus 2. Okay. Now here some of the rules to solve equations. I have discussed in the previous class in class 6. So here also the rules are there. Rules for solving the equation. The first rule tells that the same quantity can be added. The same quantity can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. Number 2, the same quantity of the can be subtracted from both sides of an equation without changing the equality. Both sides of the equation may be multiplied and both sides of the equation may be divided. Okay. Now the main main formula or main law or main rules, that is transposition. Okay, this is very good rules. Any term of an equation may be taken from one side. Any term of an equation may be taken from one side to the other with a change in the sign. This does not affect the equality of the statement. This process is called transposition. Okay, any term of an equation, any term of the equation may be taken from one side to other side, exchanging with a change of sign. When the side will be changed, the sign also will be changed. This does not affect the equality of the statement. Okay, this process is called transposition. So we have to solve all the equations in exercise here 7a by using transposition method. Okay, here exercise 7a, you can see here various types of questions are there. Solve the following equations, check your result in each case. So you should not check. Okay, here no need to check, only just solve it. Solve the following equation. So first question here tells that 3x minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now how we have to do this equation? Let's see. First 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So look at question number 1. Tells that 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So give here implies of, since here already the equal sign is given, so no need to write again equal sign, give implies of. Okay, so here the main rules is that all types of variables should be right in the left hand side and all types of numerical value we have to be right in the right hand side. So 3x is the variable term, so write the left hand side 3x. Now here minus 5 exchange to the right hand side or shifting. So 3x will be equal to, and minus 5 when go to the right hand side it will be plus 5. Okay, that means the value of x is equal to 5 by 3. So this is the required solution of the given equation. Okay, understand? So in this procedure you have to be solve it. Here next question here tells that question number 2, 8x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 2x. So 8x minus 3, number 2, 8x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 2x. Clear? Okay, so students, 8x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 2x. Now you can see that here minus 2x is in the right hand side, so you have to be shift minus 2x from the left hand side, so it will be 8x minus 2x will be plus 2x equal to, here 9 is already exist in the right hand side, so minus 3 will go to the right hand side, so it will be plus 3. Okay, that means 8x plus 2x, that is 10x, equal to 9 plus 3, that is 12. Okay, so the value of x will be 12 by 10. Therefore x equal to, write 6 by 5. This is the required answer. Okay, so in such procedure you have to be just solved. Okay, hope that you have understood this process. So in this way you have to be just solve it. Next here, question number 3 also the same type of question, 4 also same. Question number 5, now I am going to solve. 2 into x minus 2 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into 4x minus 1 4x plus 1, 4x plus, not 4x minus, 4x minus, okay, equal to 0. So for that case, give implies of, now multiply 2 and x, it will be 2x, 2 and minus 2, it will be minus 4, plus 3 into 4x, that is 12x, plus 3 minus 1, that is minus 3, equal to 0. Okay, so now 2x plus 4x, write side by side, 2x plus 12x, and minus 4 go to the right side, it will be plus 4, and minus 3 go to the right side, there is plus 3. Okay, so that means 12x plus 2x, that is 14x, equal to 7. So thereafter the value of x will be 7 by 14, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the result of this equation. Okay, so in this way you have to be solve it. Okay, so students, today your homework will be question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. Up to 6 you have to be do. Okay, so today you write your homework, that homework question number 1 to 6 carefully from exercise 7a. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.